Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Serving the Southeast U.S. and beyond for nearly 2 decades, Triad has been providing quality metal roofing, building systems, and accessories to commercial, residential, and agricultural consumers. At Triad Corrugated Metal, their mission is to provide quality and integrity with commitment through service to their customers. That commitment to their customers shows in Triad's relentless pursuit of manufacturing high-quality roofing products that are not only long-lasting, but affordable. Controlling each step of production and distribution is an important part of meeting customer demands. From sourcing raw materials, developing paint processes, fine-tuning manufacturing techniques, and shipping their products to customers, Triad has all their bases covered. With 16 different styles of metal roofing available in 54 different colors, Triad is the premier metal roofing and building system supplier. Triad strives to stay abreast of the latest technology and trends when it comes to their products and services. This provides you with high-quality, durable, and beautiful building products. Triad's building systems are quick to install, economical, and well-suited for agricultural and residential use, while their pre-engineered steel structures are perfect for commercial grade and large clear-span construction. Triad Corrugated is large enough to service any size project while maintaining its family business roots. Triad Corrugated Metal is your headquarters for premium metal roofing and building systems. Don't settle for anything less than Triad Metal. You can see them at triadmetalroof.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.